Wednesday.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you my new and improved air cannon. If you want to know how to make one, I have another video on my channel of how to make one, but this video is just going to focus on the improvements I made. So what I did was I just took apart my other air cannon and added some more PVC, a handle, and made the air chamber bigger. So what this did was, on my other one, the air chamber was smaller and it can only hold 40 psi, and this one it can hold 80, so the thing shoots farther or faster. Also, this one is fired over the shoulder instead of in your hands, which I like better. So that's pretty much all I did. You can fire anything that you want that fits in the barrel. But what I like shooting is a paper towel roll filled with rocks and wrapped in tape. It goes really far and really high. But like I said, you can fire almost anything that fits in the barrel. Now I'm going to show you a shooting test and some clips of me and my friend shooting each other with the air cannon. Okay, so this is what I'll be shooting in my shooting test. Like I said, it's just a paper towel roll that I cut down the middle and rolled so it fits in the barrel. And then I filled it with rocks and I wrapped it with tape. So let's go shoot it. Okay, here's shooting the paper towel roll bullet.
Alright, let's go see how far it went.
Did it go over?
It might have gone over.
Wait, I think I see it. Yeah, it went over. Okay, there it is on the ground, right there. Wow. Okay, so we filled this with flour, and now we're going to shoot each other with it.
Oh shoot, I'm scared.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my god.
Wait,
He's losing it.
go!
In the camera lens.
In 3, 2, 1. Keep filming. Come over here. Look at my shoes. 3, 2, 1.